Welcome back. In our previous episode, you joined us for an unforgettable ride aboard the famous Ooty toy train, an experience that should be on everyone's must-do list. You're watching humhairahi YouTube channel. Our next destination took us to the enchanting benchmark tea and chocolate factory. The tea and chocolate factory operates from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and charges an entry fee of Rs 30 per person for the chocolate factory and Rs 10 per person for the tea factory. Each entry ticket comes with the complimentary chocolate samples and various tea tastings, making it a delightful experience for the whole family. With tickets in hand and wristbands collected, we were drawn by the inviting aroma wafting from the chocolate factory. Our adventure pressed on to the chocolate factory, where the delightful aroma of cocoa permeated the air.
Cocoa bean roasting is done at 135 degrees Celsius. Once roasted beans are broken, then cocoa bean is liquefied when grinded with heat.
Inside, we had the privilege of witnessing the modern alchemy that transforms humble cocoa beans into exquisite chocolates. The state-of-art machinery and techniques on display were a testament of human innovation, revealing the fascinating evolution of chocolate production. We observed the chocolate-making process from cocoa powder to molding the chocolates in various shapes. The tasting session that followed was an absolute indulgence, with an array of chocolates tempting our taste buds with diverse flavors and textures. If you're enjoying this video, please do let us know by leaving a like and a comment.
ये देखो इधर के पैसे तो वसूल कर देते हैं।
This unique tea factory in Ooty offers a captivating journey through the intricate tea production process. The tea leaves are dried in stainless steel containers, crushed and processed through CTC machines. Throughout your tour, you can witness each stage of tea production thanks to glass viewing areas. From plucking of tea leaves to the final packaging of tea powder, you get an insider view of the various stages, including withering, rolling, fermentation, drying, and sorting. It is an educational opportunity to explore the different types of tea produced in the region and gain an appreciation for the art of tea making.
Okay, it is a 20 days processing and there is a black citizen. Okay. All India, no market selling, but all India online purchase. Only online. Yes. It is a Dubai, London, Saudi Arabia, actually exporting. Whenever Kerala means no market sale, no online sale. All India go only online purchasing only. Online purchasing only. Through app only. No website is there. Just benchmark work.
While you won't be able to enter the production area, you will have fascinating look at the process through glass. Additionally, the factory offers a delightful tea tasting experience, allowing you to savor a range of flavors, including cardamom, masala, ginger, green tea, and more. If you are enjoying this video, please do consider subscribing. Adjacent to the tea factory, the tea museum enriches your visit with historical insights into the heritage of tea production in the Nilgiri region of Tamil Nadu.
If you like picture the art option, you can go
Vintage tea making equipments, photographs, and artifacts vividly depicted the evolution of tea cultivation in this area.
We have older combined package.
Sorry? 260. 260. Half kg 260.
superiority with regards to manufacturing are the most care and best explained about the tea is an aromatic.
Inside the store, you can purchase chocolate and tea. You also have the opportunity to purchase homemade chocolates with delectable flavors such as fruits and nuts, fig and honey, raisin and nuts, milk and coffee, and even sugar-free options. We brought a couple of teas and a few chocolates from the shop, even though it was just a bit pricey than the typical places we had visited. You will also find stores for herbal oils and Ooty Varuki products. For added entertainment, there is a 70s cinema and a restaurant. The area is expanding with ongoing construction for additional stores and attractions. After our purchases, while the rest of the group were busy shopping, Mom and Dad were savoring the breathtaking views outside and capturing a couple of memorable photos. Go start.
तो आएंगे
गोदी नहीं खाया आपने मैं तो गोदी खाया था
As we boarded our traveler, our gaze turned to the day's event planner, my dad, who guided our traveler towards the boathouse. Stay tuned for all the exciting details in the next episode. Thank you for watching this series.